The Jaintia National Council (JNC) has voiced strong opposition to the removal of 9 local home guards from the Khliehriat power grid, citing concerns over local employment and the integrity of the state civil defence system. The council, led by Central Executive Committee President Sambormi Lingdo, along with members of the JNC Employment Commission, met with the power grid's chief manager Santanu Deka to seek clarification on the decision. According to Das, the removal was implemented following a state government directive that called for replacing the local personnel with staff from a central agency. In response, the GNC criticized the decision, questioning the rationale behind outsourcing positions that could be filled by trained local home guards. Lingdo reportedly stated that the move disregarded the role of the home guards who had been serving for over a decade and expressed concern over the state's apparent shift from utilizing its own trained personnel. He emphasized that while central agency staff are deployed across states, home guards are specifically trained to serve within Meghalaya. The council demanded that the local home guards be reinstated, arguing that dismissing individuals who had dedicated 10 to 15 years of service was both unjust and disrespectful to their commitment. It was reported that the chief manager requested until May 5th to resolve the issue. The GNC indicated it would explore further options if the matter remained unresolved, including engaging with state ministers. Lingdo is said to have added that the issue extends beyond a single department, affecting broader employment policies in both government and private sectors. He stressed the need for the state to prioritize local communities and ensure that civil defense structures remain functional and respected.
Aden wana yo jing TV wakani ka power grid ka amini apa den syndrome ini apa Eastern Chahil district da penduk krak ka yaki kendingut ki homka dua naini apa denja ki yang i da kemensen ka wasaukia ni kesini nak yang yang i ke JNC da hiari wo yacham wo ha yang kini ka power grid o santudas wada sanya yang kini kana notification wo Khliehriat kamno yang kini ki kendingut. Jadi nak yang kesenyi ada wajuri nak kini ke power grid foto benek ka. Ya kini ki kendingut. Dah hak jingi kelam yang i wa kini ke power grid da chemi foto kini ka jingtmu ke yang ka wo thumno da ki witawan ki agency. Wo man kam kita ki security guard hapo kini ka power grid to lengba ka kejing yo approval gi nak state government. Jadi nak yang ke JNC senyawi wo penremjor. Ya kini ka state government ka umam kejing baklik ne benta ki civil defense home guard ki ka kejing sekiat hi hawa ka state government dam go ya ki civil defense ne ya ki home guard ile ap sejauh san approval ya kita ki central agency ne ba kini ki home guard ki i jegi kra do apa Meghalaya andre kini ki central agency jegi kra hawro ko vi gari India kita dah kejing sekiat hi kam ka state government untuk wilayah go ya kini ki agency ki wanabar wa kini gi ya ki kera yang ka ki nong sunong yang ka state yang i i kam ke JNC da wajur ina kini ke power grid ke jingi kelam ko yang i tuna kaliang ko yang ki depan for gini i aduk kini ke singin kong ke singi war ini kaliang ke sen da kini ke power grid gom ye go pena ya kini ki kendengut ini kaliang ke sen hi da lai da keluti ke wateng ne benta ke hop yang keri wa ke jat guru ko yang i ne ba kini ke jingla satu ibu tu fail gana duk nak state government. Dah kini kisni ki wadawan lah ini kalian ke JNC wong kut ga kini ke jingi kelam ko yang hidup ini. Dah persang ile awi kelam wa minister concern wa topat ya kini ke benta. Wam to ilat ya kita ke agency ki wanabar hawadang m ki bru ki yang i ke agency yang ke state government ko yang i. Dah kini ke jing jam dia ke duk ini hendrai la dapat ya kelen. Dah dapat ya ki private company ki am apa kini ke district ke yang ila. Gue wa to ke agency ki wa to yang ki security guard wanra gi na barbar. Kini hi penpau go ke jing yorot ya keri wa kadai guru ko yang i kini hi penyoga wa ka sarkar mem chenya go lene ken po go ya kiri wa kadai guru ko yang i ki wa da train ki wa ya ka training ko biang wo man kam ki security guard te hi kwa pa ka message ko clear cha ka state government wa kini ke jing elat ya kini ki company lene ya ki office yang ka central government wa wanra ya ki agency ki wanabar man go ke jing kini ya ka jakpo yang keri wa kadai guru ko yang i Woyo wato do nei da wa ka sarkar ya approval ga kini ki agency ki wanabar kini ki wada kira da ki chpau khasan snem habduk yu ya ka kam ka jam ko yoki te ida wajur wato penna ya kini da ka sarkar mu yigo penna ina ga yang ka sen dawle da kam ko teng